What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. Y'all already know what we got to do. Or what we got to do. What is wrong with me today? Yo, Hookah, help me out, man, because I don't know what I got going on.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Hookah Anonymous, and you are now rocking with Mickey Truth. She live up to her name, not the fame. So make sure y'all subscribe to her channel and stay updated on what's real. Bye.
Coming from where I come from, they doubted me, but I came up. I made it through the storm, trying to conquer the world. I made it through the storm, trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come from, they doubted me, but I came up. I made it through the storm, trying to conquer the world. I made it through the storm, trying to conquer the world. Good reporting ass Mickey. We love you, Mickey.
Hey, y'all already know, as always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So let's get it. And I'm back with StreamYard, okay? It's just easier, okay, y'all? If this one is boring, I won't use it no more, okay? Not for my videos. But anyway, Chrisean Rock, okay? It is being reported by No Jumper that Chrisean Rock is allegedly wanted in Oklahoma on possession charges. Say what now? Like Chrisean Rock, Blueface, Baby Mom. Well, you know, they be up in the air about that part, but you know, Chrisean Rock, like with the with the big belly. I mean, let's just say it. She's pregnant, like she's about to pop. Like, why is she one for possession charges? So then I'm like, oh, I'm intrigued, right? Then I'm like, for one, it's just she's always smelling or smirking. You know, it just be wild to me. But nevertheless, it says here, offender Chrisean Malone, fugitive wanted poster. It also says here, case number CF2022-0022, Craig County Court, failure to display tax stamp on CDC. I said CDC, CDS, and distribution of CDS and possession with intent. What is CDS? Okay, inquiring minds wants to know. So let me see here. CDS. What is that? I'm wrong for how I just try to Google that. Nevertheless, it's not that important. I'll figure it out later. So y'all already know what I had to do. I had to just go to Google, okay? And this is what I did first. I said, okay, let me type in the place and see what type of warrants pop up. Then I hit the most wanted, right? As y'all can see here. Oh, y'all can't see, but now y'all can. Let me just refresh this one because I actually had this one open already. All right, so I refreshed it. Okay, hey sir. Um, this person is the only person that's on there, so I'm not really sure where they got that poster from. However, that's really not what we care about over here, because y'all know I'm the paperwork queen. And if you didn't know, now you know. Okay, let me just show my logo real quick. Boom. Shout out. I love my new logo. I ain't gonna cap. I love it. But back to the business. So, y'all know I had to go see if I can, find the paperwork. And of course, well, no, I ain't gonna say of course. No, I'm gonna say of course. I found it. And we have it, bam, right there. As y'all can see, the case number matches. It was filed back in February 2022. So the good thing is, it's not a new situation. Because at first I was kind of like, dang, girl, you about to have a baby. I've been rooting for you on Clubhouse. Because everybody on Clubhouse be like, oh, Chrisean just need to get a baby. The other baby mom, I'm like, nah, that baby gonna get her right. Right. And that's been my stance because I see through all the antics. Well, I thought I did. Well, okay, that's another story. Anyway, so let's take a look here. What's going on? Okay. Ooh, bench warrant, FTA cause. And FTA means failure to appear, for those who don't know. Cause, Does that mean she didn't pay her money? I'm not sure about that one. That's kind of strange because I would think they have it. Okay. However, let's just look. March 15th plea date. So a plea must have been entered on March 15th, pending deferred completion. Okay. Dang. So March 15th was the plea date, and then on May 8th, a bench warrant was issued. Then on June 7th, the case into collection. Now I'm kind of thinking maybe it is over money. Oh, wow. Tax intercept. Oh, yeah. Because when you don't pay something, this is not just like on a legal case. Like, if you don't pay back your debt, they can garnish your wages and, take your tax refund, all that. So, but let's see. Let's keep going. Okay. What is that? I think I do. I have that document already. Let's take a look. What document is that? And I do have it. Yep, I do. So it basically says here the charges. So just for those who inquiring minds wants to know. Oh, this happened on Valentine's Day of 2022. Wow, that's crazy. And she got caught at the toll gate. So hold on. Let me find out. They was just bobbing and weaving through the interstate or the tollways and got hemmed up. That's crazy. Let me see. Can I find an article from back then? I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. And I don't see one. I don't want to spend too much time on it. So we'll keep going. So all right, that's that one. Let's keep going down. Let me just kind of get to the bulk of it. All right. All right, what happens here? Oh, what's that? The fitness motion for discovery and inspection. Ooh, I want to see that one. Let's see what that one says. Let's share it and let's blow it up. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Uh-huh, uh-huh. 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 All right, so this is just generic. I said just the generic. Almost every state has it that they submit just for all the information that the state will be presenting. So yeah, that's what that is. All right, that's cool. That's no biggie. All right, what else we see here? What is reinstate bond? Okay. On February 15th, defendant not present. However, her attorney was. Motion to reinstate bond is denied. Oh, well, we want to read that then. What that motion is about. 17th day of January 23rd, motion to reinstate bond filed on behalf of defendant comes on for consideration. The court, for good cause shown, finds the motion should be set for hearing. Okay. Well, they ultimately denied it. All right. Presiding defendant present by counsel Ken Gallon by phone. Attorney requests case to be set for plea. All right. Well, while we're here, let's see what that says. I gotta be careful because some of these don't show too much personal information. All right. So that's just that. That's nothing. All right. Let's see what the plea is. So the plea doesn't have a paper, but it looks like it was charged $3,500. Okay. Judge Gardner presiding, Aaron Quinn for the state. Defendant present with attorney Ken Gallon, defendant sworn and advised of right. Defendant is not Native American and is not enrolled in any federal. Defendant waives PSI and state waives all as well. Defendant EPG enter pleas guilty. Okay, I might say what to both counts. Count 1 through 4 years deferred. $3,000 fine, $50 VCA, $3,000 DADF, and court costs. Count two, 4 years deferred, $500 fine, $50 CA, and court costs. 991 fees, 120 hours community service in lieu of 30 days, and CCJ to be performed at a homeless shelter within 6 months. Bond forfeited, set aside, bond exonerated, bench warrant ordered recalled, defendant ordered to the CCO and the DA office to set up payment plan. All right. Okay. All that. Okay. Okay. Plead guilty. We can't see that. What's that? What is this? Let's see. I never looked in an Oklahoma case before. All right, not gonna show that one because that has too much information on it. What's this? Yeah, we can show this one. Reimbursement notice. Okay. Area drug fund, $3,000 to the drug fund. God, wow, like that's a lot. What is this? Okay, well, it says this right here. Make that bigger. It says defendant has paid all drug fund fees in full. So I'm starting to feel like the bench warrant maybe not due some money, maybe. I don't know. Because it said it was paid in full. Let's see what this one is. Okay, hold on. I got to move this up. This is okay. Term of deferment. Defendant representation that she has not been previously convicted of a felony within the last 10 years. The court defers judgment and sentence for a period of 4 years. What does that mean? Like, exactly. Is it like probation? Is it like, oh, I asked my own question. So it says, during which time the defendant is placed on probation. The terms and conditions of probation are the defendant is not to violate any statutes of state, tribal, or federal government, or any municipal ordinances. Okay. DLC supervision defendants to complete 120 hours of community service. Okay, we already read that. All right. Okay. All right. That's her restitution she had to pay. Okay. All right. So, All right. So that was the form we just saw. Then it says this document is available at the courthouse. Okay. Bench warrant on May 8th. FTA, failure to appear. Cost issued. Sheriff Craig. Clark information. Oh, that's additional fees. I got you. So what the world did she fail to do? See, that's my question. What did she fail to do? She had to fail to do something. That's why she has this look. All right. So she had 6 months to do that. The community service. What did she fail to do? So that's a question. What did she fail to do? Well, I don't know what she failed to do, but she failed to do something. Let's see. Okay. So did she not pay something? Because it says this had to be done within 6 months. So that would have gave her to September. Did she do something between March and May that violated it? Well, y'all, all I can say is per this, she definitely has a warrant for her arrest. Why? I don't know. It could be possibly that the money wasn't paid. It's interesting though, because they said she paid the court the drug fees, right? The $3,000. But if y'all notice, like none of these have a minus. All of them, you know what I'm saying? Oh no, that don't have that has a minus, a reduction. I wonder if she didn't pay the fees. Is that why? Because as y'all can see here, per her plea, she had 6 months to complete 120 hours of community service. Okay, and then uh, yeah, to set up payment plans. I think she didn't pay. That is crazy. If that's Yo, in my opinion, it seems like she didn't pay. Because if you look at it, none of these have a minus next to them. Besides that one $5 one that we just saw. Let me go up some. Uh Maybe because she was on a payment plan, that's why they gave her the notice. I don't know. It's weird. That's why I will say. Let me see if it says anything else. And then for it to say right here, sent to collections, I have, in my opinion, let me say that, in my opinion, I definitely think she didn't pay, and that's why she has the bench warrant. So, with that being said, we went over the paperwork. Hey, we can confirm that it's an active bench warrant for Chrisean Rock. However, just in my opinion, based on the wording on the paperwork, it seems like she didn't pay her fees for her plea agreement, and that could be why she got a warrant. Or it could have been something else. Maybe she violated it by doing something crazy because she don't supposed to get into trouble for at least 4 years. Nevertheless, I wish her nothing but the best, and I hope that she takes care of that real soon. Well, sooner than later, for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I got more content to come. I will be going live soon. Yes, we have to do a reaction. Make sure you tap in with the tap in. Thank you to everybody who enrolled in my July 9th class. I am full. My lucky number is 7, so I only take 7 people each week. So make sure you tap in for the July 16th class. And for now, but sooner than later, holla!